Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electrician's Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, well this tool is real awesome this week. Like I say, one of my buddies, Cali Man, call him Cali Man, Cali, from a job I was working on, he turned me onto this tool, and oh man, is this freaking handy. It has the reversible sockets, and those are impact rated, which is kind of nice. You could toss them in your impact. It's got that little bit of a longer extension. You could put it in your screwdriver, use it as like a nut driver. You could just put it in your impact. Super handy tool. Like I say, this is one of my favorite. A lot of people don't like certain things about the Kleins, and I would say that there's probably some things that aren't like the greatest about certain Klein tools, is just like the design and stuff, but I really like the design of this tool. I like how it has this like that extension where you can kind of like reach in. The only thing that I would say I don't like about it is the sockets are like so big, so they're really not able to like reach in anywhere. So sometimes you have to like get your like 5/16 like through a small hole. You're not going to be able to do that with these. But when it comes to, you know, doing like multiple sheet metal screws, I don't know if you guys have ran into this before, but you just have this box of sheet metal screws and you're sitting there jamming sheet metal screws, and one's a 1/4 inch, one's a 5/16, one's a 3/8, you know. That's what's nice about this. You can just flip it around, put a 3/8 in there, jam it home, flip it around, grab the 5/16, jam it home. It's really nice in that aspect. Really handy. They all stack up and make it real easy to use. So it's one of my favorite tools that I've actually covered in the tool review, and I recommend it to anybody. Like I say, Klein is kind of on a little bit of a decline, but I just always have to make sure that they're made in the USA. And you know, like I say, that's been kind of a problem in the past, is some of the Klein tools, they're not made in the USA. But all in all, I really like this tool. It's a really good thing, and really works good.